Kelvin, and today I'm bringing you guys my full review of the Ikea LÖPARBANA gaming chair. And I'm probably butchering that name, but it doesn't matter. But speaking of the name, that's actually something that's kind of a point of contention with me with this product, just because I think it's more than just a gaming chair. Like, I personally use this as an office chair, and I think it's actually styled and designed differently than the typical gaming chair. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and talk about the design of it. So starting off, the most striking thing about this chair is obviously the color. And that's kind of part of the reason why I was drawn to this in the first place. I think it does a good job at standing out. The metal on the arm pads is like a lighter minty green kind of color. And then the pads and the headrest is a deeper green kind of color. And I think it all complements itself like really well. One thing I do dislike about the design of this chair is the headpiece. Although it does have some functional purpose where it serves as a place for you to rest your head and be more comfortable on your neck, I feel like it was designed as an afterthought. It doesn't really follow the nice lines and curves that the chair has, and honestly think the chair looks a lot better without it. The next thing I would like to talk about is the build quality and comfort of the chair. I would say overall the build quality of the chair is relatively solid. It's made out of metal and fabrics that serve as the foam piece for the padding and the lumbar support for the chair. The metal and the paint on the metal actually has held up in the 1.5 months that I've had this chair for. In terms of the comfort, it's very firm but comfortable with the padding, and as I work remotely from home, I'm using this chair for 8+ hours a day without any comfort issue. Talking about the setup process for the chair, it was actually pretty simple to build and set up. The chair comes in one box, so you don't have to do the typical Ikea thing where you have to purchase multiple boxes in order to build the chair. And it took me about 30 minutes. But I do recommend that you have someone to help you with the building of the chair. In conclusion, what do I think about the Ikea LÖPARBANA chair? I think it is an amazing chair in terms of the design and the color of it, and I would recommend anyone who is in love with the design and color of the chair to make a purchase for it as well. But for the price of $169, I do think it's a little bit steep for what it is. If it was on sale, let's say it was $150, between $120 to $150, I think that would be the sweet spot for this chair. So if you can snag this chair on sale, it's a 100% recommendation from me. So overall, those are my thoughts about the Ikea LÖPARBANA chair. If you guys have any questions or any thoughts, leave them in the comments down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.